Hi friends, welcome back everyone to Angel Trading Friend, and this is Prince here Trading Friend. So friends, today we are going to look into the trade which we did today. Okay, so today one was positive and another one was lost, but so let us see how it went, how are the trades we did and all those things. And people, those who have not yet subscribed to this channel, it's a channel for all the working professionals where we get lots of videos, a lot of live tests, you can see a lot of strategies. So I post my strategies as well as I do testing, live testing of that as well. So there are many things which you can learn along with me in this journey. So don't forget to press the subscribe button and also this bell button and also all notification. Okay, so that whenever I post any videos you will get notifications, and any other support you can just WhatsApp on my number. My number is 8095876525. So let's go to today's trade which we did. Okay, so this is the previous trade in HDFC and SBI, and if you have missed it, don't forget to watch it. And the stock which you're taking today is going to be Reliance, and everybody knows that Reliance is in a very good trend. It is continuously moving up, so that is why we decided to go ahead with Reliance. Okay, and I've just added the future. Now I need to add the options. I am going for the covered call, so I am trying to take the nearest strike price of call option and also 10% far away put option as well, so that it will act as an insurance. It's high time that we should use insurance or not. So as of now I'm continuing, but people those who are not interested in the insurance part, you can skip it because already you're taking a covered call and you're insuring half of your position. Okay, so just looking into the strike price, I'm trying to go a little far, reason because the premium. Okay, so as of now 1700 is what I'm taking, and I'm going to execute the strategy now. So I'm selling the call option first. I'm placing a delivery order and limit price. Always place limit price 60.30. I am placing my sell order. It's completed. Then I am buying the future. Again, futures you can do it in market order because the volume is good enough. So both orders are completed. You just have to make sure that you do it quickly so that the prices gets hedged. Even a profit in one will be maintained by the loss in another one. Okay, so we are just trying to place this insurance. I'm not able to scroll it down. Okay, limit price, and it is presently 11.15. So let me just try placing the order. uh, as expected, small tweaking required. No, it's completed. Okay, so the three legs have been taken. So you can see these are the three legs which I have taken in Reliance. So I have bought the future and also sold the call option, and for insurance I have taken the 1700 put option. Okay, very simple. By now I think most of you would have come to know. Okay, so morning when we opened, this was the situation. So you can see that we were in a loss. We just closed our positions in the morning. We had a loss of around 3964, and then I went on to Hindustan Unilever for our day strategy. That is, the money was idle in the account in the daytime, so we are doing the day strangle. So I'm just trying to take OTM strike prices, and I just have to make sure that both are equidistant, thereby the delta will be the same. So people those are not much aware of the deltas, what you can do is try to make sure the premiums are almost close, so that the delta will be almost the same. Okay, so that is a easy method which you can do for making sure that your are deltas are same. Okay, because in this we are expecting only the premium decay. In strangle, intraday strangle, ideally you keep the stock for a longer time, you will get more profit, but here we are only keeping it intraday. Okay, so we are just expecting whatever profit we are getting in that particular time, we will book it and then we will close it. Okay, so let me add Hindustan Unilever 2200 put option and 2300 call option. It's fair enough, almost in the range, close to 40. So one is at 44, another is 38. So we'll go ahead with this position, and also it is the stock was not trending initially, it was moving sideways, that is why I am selecting Hindustan Unilever. Okay, and make sure you place intraday order so that you will get the funds for trading. Okay, the amount required will be approximately less than 75,000 is enough for both selling the call as well as the put. So some stock might take 50, some stock might take 40, some might take 70. So on the safer side, what I am suggesting everyone is to keep 75. Okay, so the just have to see if it will get executed or not. I also just wanted to see what is the spread as of now. So let me move it to 37 and just try. It's completed. Now immediately I have to place the order in the next leg as well. This is the most crucial part, friends. Many people waste a lot of time here, and then by that time the loss and profit would have increased. If it is in your favor, the profit will be good, but if it is not in your favor, then it is difficult. So make sure you place it immediately together. Okay, so you can see that I have placed both orders together, and these are my two legs which are open as of now in Hindustan Unilever 2200 put and 2300 call option. So today, end of the day, you can see that we made a little bit of profit in the strangle. The market was once again moving one side direction. Hindustan Unilever continuously went down, went down, went down. But then we were in a good position and we made good profit of 1000, approximately 1000 plus. So this is the trade which we have done today. So once this is completed, it's our duty to daily maintain the tracker so that you will know where you are going. So in the daytime I made loss of in the night time, sorry, I made loss of 4000. The daytime it was profitable. Okay, so this is a position as of now for us, and we are just waiting for one big movement. So overall you can see the day strategy is making very good. So there are some people who are commenting and saying me, sir, why do you want to lose money in this covered call when you're making very good money in the daytime? Why can't you ignore this covered call? Friends, as I told you many times as well, just because a strategy is not working for some time, it doesn't mean that we have to quit the strategy. Even if it is making loss, we have to stay strong. Okay, only then when big profits come, we will be able to take it. So we have to wait patiently. No doubt our overall profit is coming down, but as you know, market is like that. There will be some months you'll be in profit, some months you'll be in loss. So that is why I'm continuing this journey to make you understand that is how people live with trading. It is not that every day or every week or every month you can make money. Whatever market gives us, we have to take. And if you're achieving a target, you have to stop. So there are many things which you're learning in this series. So let us hope it continues, the journey continues successfully. So any other doubts, any confusion, you can always WhatsApp me. My number is 8095 876525. Thank you and have a nice day.